expert kitchen remodeling services in Alpine, Utah. Thinking about transforming your kitchen in Alpine, Utah, 84004? EagleRidge is here to bring your vision to life with expert kitchen remodeling and renovation services. We specialize in complete kitchen remodels, custom kitchen designs, cabinetry and storage solutions, countertops, flooring, backsplashes, lighting, plumbing, and appliance installations. A kitchen remodel does more than refresh your space. It enhances functionality, improves energy efficiency, and boosts your home's value. At EagleRidge, we take a structured and professional approach to remodeling. From the initial consultation to the final walkthrough, we ensure quality craftsmanship and timely execution. Whether you're dreaming of a modern farmhouse or contemporary kitchen, we have the expertise to make it happen. Upgrade your kitchen today. Call us at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com to get started.